Hello, welcome to Anglè sans redi. Pa bliye, depi ou tombe sou channel sa ou la kayo. Let's jump! What is this? What is this? Ki sa ye? I was at home. I was at home. Mwen te la kay la. I know that. I know that. Mwen te konen sa. What did you have? What did you have? Ki sa ou te gen? I didn't have anything. I didn't have anything. Mwen pa te gen anyen. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Ki kote ou te ye? What do you think about me? What do you think about me? Ki sa ou pense de mwen? That is why I didn't come. That is why I didn't come. Se sak fe mwen pa te vini. That is why I wanted to say that. That is why I wanted to say that. Se sak fe mwen te vle di sa. I had something to do. I had something to do. Mwen te gen yon bagay pou fe. I had money. I had money. Mwen te gen l'argent. I didn't have anything today. I didn't have anything today. Mwen pa te gen anyen jodi ya. Did you know that in English? Did you know that in English? Eske ou te kone sa en anglais? I already know that. I already know that. Mwen te deja kone sa. I had something to tell you. I had something to tell you. Mwen te gen yon bagay pou di ou. It's not easy. It's not easy. Li pa fasil. I wanted to know how. I wanted to know how. Mwen te vle kone koman. Yesterday he was coming here. Yesterday he was coming here. Hier li te ap vini isit la. I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. Mwen ap gade tele. I do my homework. I do my homework. Mwen fe devwa mwen. It is next to the boxes. It is next to the boxes. Li a kote boîte yo. It is in front of the decks. It is in front of the decks. Li devan bureau a. Where is my wallet? Where is my wallet? Ki kote bous mwen ye? It's in my pocket. It's in my pocket. Li nan poche mwen. Is this your watch? Is this your watch? Eske mon sa se pou ou? No, it is not. No, it is not. Non, se pa pou mwen. I would like to speak English. I would like to speak English. Mwen ta reme pale anglais. Learn 5 words a day. Learn 5 words a day. Apprendre 5 mots par jour. Do you like English? Do you like English? Est-ce que ou reme anglais?